Hello everyone, James is here. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast. If you want to watch this video faster or slower, you can adjust the playback speed.
Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here again. Today's topic is very important and also a little scary for many people.
Yes, exactly. Today we talk about don't be afraid to speak English.
Oh yes, fear. I think many English learners feel this, even me sometimes.
Really? You? But your English is great.
Thank you, but still, sometimes I worry. What if I make a mistake, or what if people laugh?
That's very normal. Actually, most learners feel the same. So if you are listening now and you feel afraid, don't worry, you are not alone.
Yes, today we will help you feel more confident. We will talk about why you are afraid and how to fix it.
Perfect. Let's start with a simple question. Why are people afraid to speak English?
Good question. I think one big reason is fear of mistakes.
Yes, many people think I must speak perfectly, but that is not true.
Exactly. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Oh yes, all the time. Sometimes I forget words, sometimes I say something wrong, and that's okay.
So the first important idea is mistakes are normal.
Not only normal, they are useful.
Yes, you learn from mistakes. For example, if you say, he go to school yesterday, someone may correct you.
And then you remember, I should say he went to school yesterday.
Exactly. So mistakes help your brain learn.
Let's be honest, if you never make mistakes, you are probably not learning.
Or you are a robot.
Yes. Are you a robot?
Maybe. Beep, beep. No, I'm not.
Okay, good. We are safe.
So, don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your teachers.
Great point. Now, another reason people are afraid is fear of judgment.
Yes, people think others will think I am stupid.
But let's think about this. If someone is learning your language and they make a mistake, what do you think?
I usually feel happy. I think, wow, they're trying.
Exactly. You don't think they are stupid, you respect them.
So it's the same. When you speak English, people usually feel respect, not judgment.
That's a very important mindset.
Yes, change your thinking. Instead of people will laugh at me, think people will respect me.
Nice. Now let's talk about a practical situation. Imagine you are in a restaurant.
Okay, I'm hungry already.
Haha. You want to order food in English, but you feel nervous.
Yes, I start thinking, what if I say it wrong? What if they don't understand me?
So what can you do?
First, keep it simple. You don't need long sentences.
Yes. For example, I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
That's perfect. Clear and simple.
If you forget a word, you can describe it.
Like, I want the food with bread and chicken inside.
Yes, that works too.
Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Exactly. The goal is to be understood, not to be perfect.
Another tip, practice speaking every day.
Yes, even if it's just 5 minutes.
You can talk to yourself.
Some people think that's strange, but it's actually very helpful.
Yes, for example, you can say, now I am making coffee. I take the cup. I add sugar.
Simple sentences, but great practice.
You can also record your voice.
Oh yes, that's powerful.
When you listen, you can hear your mistakes and improve.
At first, you might think, oh no, my voice sounds strange.
Yes, everyone feels that.
But after some time, you get used to it.
And you improve a lot.
Another idea, find a speaking partner.
Yes, maybe a friend or someone online.
There are many apps where you can talk with people from other countries.
And remember, they are also learning, so both of you make mistakes.
That makes it less scary.
Exactly. You are learning together.
Now, let's talk about confidence.
Ah, yes. Confidence is very important.
How can we build confidence?
Start small.
What do you mean?
Don't try to speak perfectly for 10 minutes. Start with one sentence.
Good idea.
For example, say, hello, how are you, to someone.
Then next time, add more. Hello, how are you? I'm fine.
Step by step.
Like building a house, one brick at a time.
Yes, not all at once.
Also, celebrate your progress.
That's important. If you say one sentence today, that's success.
Don't think, oh, it's not enough.
No, think, great, I did it.
Positive thinking helps a lot.
Let's give another example.
Okay,
Imagine you travel to another country.
exciting.
You need to ask for directions.
That can be scary.
But you can say, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
Simple and clear.
Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, people will understand.
And they will help you.
Yes, most people are kind.
So don't let fear stop you from real-life practice.
Real-life practice is the best teacher.
Now, let's talk about a funny truth.
I like funny truths.
Sometimes people are so afraid to speak, they stay silent.
Yes, they know the answer, but they don't speak.
That's like having money but never using it.
Yes, what's the point?
Language is for communication. You must use it,
Even if it's not perfect.
especially if it's not perfect.
So the message is clear. Speak more, fear less.
I like that. Speak more, fear less.
Maybe we should print it on a t-shirt.
Good business idea.
Before we finish, let's give 3 quick tips.
Okay. Tip number 1, don't fear mistakes.
Tip number 2, practice speaking every day.
Tip number 3, keep it simple and speak with confidence.
Perfect.
So, dear listeners, next time you have a chance to speak English,
Don't run away.
don't hide.
Don't panic.
Just speak.
Even one sentence is great.
You are learning, and that is something to be proud of.
We believe in you.
Yes, you can do it.
And remember, every fluent speaker today was once a beginner.
That's a powerful truth.
So keep going, keep practicing, and don't be afraid.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye, and see you next time. Bye-bye.